Here are the critical steps for a bay or bow seat board overlay. Let's get started. First, remove the bottom casing. Then, loosen or remove each vertical piece of casing. Use a putty knife or pry bar to remove all trim strips from around each window. Be very careful not to damage the windows or the maul posts. Remove or cut the remaining nails left behind. Use a heat gun and a utility knife to carefully remove the existing edge band from the face of the existing seat board. Each maul post must be undercut to allow the new seat board to slide under. Make a pencil mark on the bottom of each post, the exact thickness of the new seat board, approximately 1/4 inch. At each mark, carefully undercut the post with an oscillating saw. Just a tip, set the oscillating blade on a scrap piece of material for a consistent height cut. Test fit the new seat board. The seat board should fit tightly around the entire unit, with the front edge of the seat board perfectly flush with the face of the unit. Make any sizing adjustments necessary to achieve a perfect fit before proceeding. You may need to sand down or trim the ears. Use 60 or 80 grit sandpaper to thoroughly scuff the surface of the existing seat board to ensure the glue will adhere to the surface. Clean off any dirt or debris from the existing seat board. A clean, dust-free surface is critical for proper adhesion. Use a 1/8 V-notch trowel to apply high-quality construction adhesive to the entire surface of the seat board. Make sure the coverage is consistent and the entire seat board is covered. Install the new seat board, making sure the front edge is perfectly aligned. Once in position, press the new seat board into the adhesive. Firmly roll the entire surface with a J-roller. Use a utility knife to carefully trim the vertical side edge banding flush and square with the height of the new seat board. Install the new iron-on edge band. Make sure the top edge is perfectly flush with the edge of the seat board. Use an electric iron set on high, approximately 350 to 400 degrees, to slowly and firmly press the edge band onto the edge of the unit. Trim off the excess edge band with scissors and verify proper adhesion. If an iron is not available, a heat gun and J-roller may be used. Be careful not to burn the edge band. Cut the trim strips to length, then use an 18-gauge brad nailer to attach the trim strips around each window. Reinstall the casing. Be sure to put putty on all the nail holes for a clean finish. This has been a quick overview of a bay or bow seat board overlay. For more information or additional questions, please call our customer support team.